Guys, this is how to fix an UWU cat and make it not a bad UWU cat, because we all hate gacha heaters. But instead, let's just be nice. And this is for Big Mama Eternal. The light is on in the kitchen. Okay, so first, I already bought a UWU cat off the camera. Alright, this is the UWU cat that I have. It's a common pink one. Oh shoot, that was yeah, I did not mean to do that. So first, instead of being mean to it when it does bad stuff, we should just be nice. We should just say, no, that is bad, and I don't know, give them a treat every time. Okay, so first things first, you need to wash it, because that's why their name is heaters, because their face has heat on it, I guess. So you need to give it a bath. I do not see a bathroom. Yay. By the way, I'm using Gacha Club. I'm not using Gacha Life or Gacha Life 2. Gacha Life 2, I don't really like it. Alright. Alright, let me just make it look like I'm actually carrying it. I hope this video gets a lot of likes, because every time I make some videos, my mom says, you're not a famous YouTuber, so it doesn't go aired on regular YouTube yet. Woo! I got a lot of subscribers already. I got a lot of subscribers. Okay, so I'm gonna hold this thing. Why can't I hold it? Oh, I know I can't. I just hurt myself. In real life, I just hurt myself. Ow, ow, ow. But it was on accident. Alright, we're gonna have to hide a little bit of this in body display, shoulder display, hand display. Foot display, height display. Okay. Okay, this is a commercial. But sadly, I don't know how to edit. Oh my god. Don't. I'm gonna have to end it myself. I do not want to get sued. Oh my god. I'm sorry for the long wait. Okay, let's give them some soap, because they need soap. Oh my god, my foot hurts so bad. I just hurt my foot so bad. Let's just pretend this is some soap. Ding, 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 more potato, more potato. Oh my god. I'm singing the song that goes like more potato, more potato, more potato. Or maybe we should do something that looks more realistic. That looks kind of violent, but this might look violent, but it looks more like I'm cleaning them. Where's combat? It's on, yeah, combat. Because combat is basically like martial arts. Okay, oh. What? Oh. You serious right now, bro? I need like bubbles. Okay, now. Let's fix this. Alright, now let's get them out. They still have a whole bunch of bubbles. But this time... No! Do not look at this boy's ugly face. I had to blur that out for young children who are watching, because that might be too scary. Okay. Alright, now, how do I get rid of these bubbles? Right here. Effects, tint, 0. Now, well, I don't know. Well, that's the heat on it. That's why they're called heaters. But, isn't it supposed to have no blush then? Yeah. We're making it normal. That's how you fix it, UWU cat. And we just have to change the clothes. Well, first, let's give it like a room. We're gonna take care of it. And then, we're gonna make sure it has a happy life. And eventually, we're gonna, turn it into a regular child. And, I don't know, maybe we'll take care of it at the end. Because most things on how to fix it, UWU cat, is, like, what do you call it? It ends when, they made it a normal child, but I'm gonna make it a little bit, just a little bit, a tiny bit longer. Well, actually, YouTube might, you know, it might not let me make the video for that long because, I'm not a famous YouTuber yet. Okay, so this is where we give it a cookie. What is that? Oh, that looks satisfying. That looks so satisfying. But anyways, I'm sorry if, yeah, you don't like this video. I mean, I put a lot of hard effort into this, so I hope you guys like it. I mean, my character is trying not to get mad. I know it said there's not gonna be a lot of violence, but yeah. You know, she got too mad. Dirty, musty rat. You ugly, ugly, very ugly, musty, dirty rat. Filthy, ugly rat. She wants to puke. My character wants to puke. I just wonder where I've been. Now she has realized what she has done. To be honest, if they were real in real life, I would kill it. I would kill it. I would kill it. For real, I would kill it. I mean, they just look so ugly. Some people think they're cute. I'm like, you need to be a heater in order to think that UWU cats are cute. And I just, they make me want to puke. They make me want to puke. I would not give it a donut in real life. You know what I would actually do? I would get a knife, stab it. Okay, I better stop before YouTube demonetizes me. My character is getting so mad. And if it turns into its demon form, before it can even turn into its demon form, I'm gonna make sure.
Realtor.com's Real Estimate is the #1 most accurate home valuation tool.
Spinning round and round you go, round and go away. Round and round we go now, round and round we go, and round we go now. Bye. Yes. Okay, now before the inner demon can get out, I'm gonna stop it. Okay. Okay, there. Sorry. I know my comment got a heart from anxiety. Oh my god! Okay. Sorry. Welcome. Alright.
Realtor.com's Real Estimate is the #1 most accurate home valuation tool.
just turn off? Why'd the music just turn off? Yo. Not this again. No.